Go.
Hey guys, welcome back. And today you can see this is a different corner than my ballooning place, my unicycling place, my origami place. This is where I do cubing place. Okay, so in this video, I will show you me solving the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. And I can't really solve it right now. It's already solved, so I'll need to mix it up. And then here. Here, 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 here. Okay, maybe that's not enough. Okay, like this. Ooh. Let's go. So first, you're gonna, I find this and put it here. Let's just do it. I'm not really gonna teach you. I might teach you in one video though. I'll explain the parts of it though. Here. Okay, and then I have this and this. Now I'm gonna repeat the process I just did for this, this, and this. Orange and white. Orange and white. Oh, right here. Okay, and then I have this. Okay, and I have the sides and this side solved. Now I need to solve this upper part, which is the most time-taking part. Okay, and then I've got these two. Okay. Ooh, lucky time. Okay, so all of these corners are good ones. Now I need a turnover so that's white, and then I'm gonna put the yellow ones down. Like this down here. Okay, and then you see that's nearly done. Now I just need to twist this cube in place. So this orange goes to this orange, and then I twist it. And then the cube is done. See? So I'm not like super fast in a few seconds done, but I have some speed. So, yeah, this is it. So, bye.